name is Mohammad Azhar Ali. I have completed my graduation from Shadan College of Engineering and Technology in BTech Computer Science branch. I have got placed in Cloud company as a software trainee position. Before joining this JSpiders Institute, I have zero knowledge. After coming to this institute, I have gained knowledge upon Java, SQL, and web technologies, and also in advanced Java. Here, the mocks help me to here the mock whatever the institute people have been taken. It helped me to clear the interviews, and also the coding classes which are conducted by this institute. It also helped me a lot to crack the interview. Thank you.